This is your channel for the SAT exam. Follow us so you don't miss any updates. Everyone thinks math is about getting the right answer. But what if I told you that sometimes mistakes are what teach us the most? A student solved a problem. A tank was 60% full and then dropped to 35%. The teacher asked what the percentage decrease was. So a student solved the problem and answered 25%. Here's the interesting part. When the teacher explained the correct calculation, the student said, "So the tank decreased more than it seemed." He didn't understand the formula, but he got the concept. The lesson here is that, in math as in life, understanding the why is worth more than memorizing the how. Now, let me explain this formula, and I'll also show you another way to solve this problem. The formula is the initial value, which is 60%, minus the final value, which is 35%, divided by the initial value times 100. Here you'll get 25 over 60 times 100, which will be 0.4166. Times 100, which in this case, you just move the decimal point. When you multiply by 100, you move the decimal 2 places. So that's 1 place, 2 places. It comes out to 41.6%. But there's another way to solve it. Let's see how it goes. If we have 60, 60 is my 100%. I want to find out a value decreasing from 60 to 35, which gives a difference of 25. So I want to know what the difference is. If the difference is 25, I don't know what it is, it's x. So now we can do a multiplication here, a rule of 3. 60 times x is equal to 60x, which equals 25 times 100. Just add 2 zeros here at the end, 2,500. So if it's multiplying here, it's going to the other side dividing. So it's 2,500 over 60, so x equals 41.6. Let me know in the comments if you liked solution 1 or 2 better. If you liked it, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video.